Students, today's topic is safety and first aid. So, let's start. Accidents and safety. Any event that happens unexpectedly and harm people is called an accident. Accidents are caused sometimes due to our own carelessness, sometimes due to that of others. Accidents can take place anywhere and at any time. So stay alert. Accidents and safety at different places like at home, in school, in playground, etc. Safety on the road. If there is no footpath, walk on the right side of the road. Then you will be able to see the oncoming vehicles. Cross the road only when the traffic has stopped. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Look right, then left, then right again before crossing the road. Don't run on the road. Don't get into or off the moving bus. Children must never go out unaccompanied by an adult. Never listen to music using earphones or headphones when on the road. Safety at home. There are many things at home, so we have to stay safe at home, like as kitchen, electricity wires, handling of electric appliances, handling sharp objects, handling pointed objects. Golden rules of safety at home. Prevention is better than cure. Every home must have proper electrical wiring and a fire extinguisher to deal with fire accidents. Rules of safety at home in the kitchen. Never leave objects like nails, scissors, toys, or balls lying on the floor. Someone might get hurt or trip and fall. Never handle any electrical instrument which is not working properly without first switching it off. Never go near fire unless there is an adult present. Don't distract your mother or any other person while cooking. Rules of safety at home in the kitchen. The stool should be of the right height, strong and sturdy. Wipe off the spoiled water immediately. Always be alert to the smell of gas in case of gas leak. Open all the windows and doors of the house and switch off the mains. Safety while handling electrical appliances. Fan, refrigerator, television. These appliances are useful and make our life easy and comfortable. These appliances are useful and make our life easy and comfortable. Electrical appliances must be used correctly to avoid accidents at home. Children must never handle electrical appliances on their own. Never use a new electrical appliance without reading the instructions manual carefully. Switch on or off a plug or device with dry hands only. A faulty electric wire, plug, or fuse must be repaired by an electrician only. In case a person receives an electric shock, shut off the mains immediately. Safety in the swimming pool. In swimming pool, don't push to each other. In swimming pool, stay safe. Children must never go for a swim unattended. Never dive into shallow swimming pools. A learner must always use a float and must swim at the shallow end of the pool in the presence of the coach. Don't run along the swimming pool or startle anyone. Don't pull anyone from or push anyone into the water. First aid kit. Accidents generally cause hurt or harm. The immediate help given to a person in such a situation before a doctor arrives or the person is taken to a hospital is called first aid. The immediate help given to a person in such a situation before a doctor arrives is called first aid. It is always good to know more about first aid since it can save someone's life. Don't panic since it can frighten the person who is hurt. Calm down the injured person. If there is an accident in the absence of an elder person around, call your neighbors for help immediately. Don't leave the injured person alone. Call up the doctor immediately. First aid kit. A first aid kit help us in kitchen, in school, in playground also. It is important to maintain a first aid kit at home. It's a good idea for every child to make his or her own first aid kit. Content of first aid kit: towel, antiseptic cream or lotion, bandage, crepe bandage, paracetamol tablets, scissors, pain relief cream or spray, burns, bleeding, wounds, or insect bites. How do we use first aid in these cases? It is always better to have a trained person or someone who has knowledge of first aid. Burn. Holding burn under cool water. Applying ice on burn. You may also dip the burnt area in cold water. This will give great relief to the injured person. Apply antiseptic cream on the burnt area. Cuts and bleeding wounds. It is very important to stop the bleeding as soon as possible. Cuts and bleeding wounds. Great care must be taken to avoid infection. Wash your hands with soap before giving first aid to the patient. A clean cotton pad or cloth should be placed firmly over the wound. This will stop the bleeding. Make sure that the bleeding part of the injured person's body is kept raised. Place an ice pack on the bleeding part. Once the wound or cut stop bleeding, the wound must be cleaned with an antiseptic solution. Then place a cotton pad over it and tie it up with a bandage. If the cut is caused due to a rusted object such as a rusted knife or pin, the person must be given an anti-tetanus injection. Insect sting. The affected area must be thoroughly cleaned with soap, with water, or with lime water. Placing ice wrapped in a cloth or an ice pack on the affected area for about 10 minutes will reduce the burning sensation. Apply a soothing cream.